Hello and welcome to another update video about Fantom. Finally starting to see some really nice volume here again and some really nice green candles again. And I think for me it was the right decision to sell my Avalanche at around 135, 136 and to invest it in Fantom when we were at around 215. I made you aware about it in my videos, and also I made the channel members aware. I think it was the right decision because while AVAX was really pumping to new all-time highs massively, I decided to take some profit. Of course, not all of it, because I believe Avalanche is here to stay. But I took some profits because it was just massively overbought. And I clearly mentioned that in my previous videos, and you can see that AVAX is currently coming down a little bit. Now it can turn around again, and there's no doubt it has the potential to go up higher at some point again. At the moment, however, I saw that Fantom, one of my other key cryptos that I mentioned in October for, my key cryptos for this alt season and also for November, that was Fantom. Now that did not so far perform really well in November. However, we might now see this turnaround here, and it might now start to pump again. It already did 22% today. And while AVAX is retracing now a little bit, or just beginning its retracement, Fantom possibly could turn around here and possibly does this really at this moment and starts to move up. Now Fantom, where are we? We had a long retracement. We come from up here, double top here at around 350, came down to the golden ratio here at the 0.618 FIB level, found support here, and from here we can now continue our way to the upside. I believe we currently, if you zoom in, we can see that we are here just trying to get beyond or above the 50-day moving average. Now we haven't managed to do so yet. We briefly crossed above it, a wick now currently to the upside, indicating that we have a little bit of a retracement here. And that's again, because we are getting very high here on the RSI now on the 4-hour chart, not overbought yet. But yeah, we need maybe a bit of retracement now to continue our way up. I think it's looking good at the moment. There is potential if we get above the 50-day that we also get above the 20-day moving average, and at the same time we would then climb above the 0.382 FIB level here at 253. From then on, I think we can fairly quickly move to nearly $3 again. Here the 295 level, the 0.214 FIB level is then here the next key resistance, before we then can move to here 317, which is that high, and then 350, after which we can make new all-time highs. I think these are still, personally, yeah, can't give you any financial advice. I think these are still good prices to buy where we are at the moment. I think what we can define, I mean, we've got a few different possibilities here to draw trend lines, but overall you can clearly see that we are in an uptrend at the moment. You can very clearly see that. We are way above the 200-day moving average. Yes, we are below the 50 and below the 20, but we're currently trying to reclaim that. And overall, if we believe, see where Fantom is coming from, we can see that it is in a clear uptrend at the moment. Had a significant retracement here, but that was nothing super massive. This was, yes, a big retracement, but from that move to the upside here to the high, this was only going down to the golden ratio. So nothing too much to worry about. And overall, I believe we are going to continue our uptrend from here. On the daily, we can see that we are currently, where we're currently finding resistance is as well here on the 50 level on the RSI. So we need to get above that to continue our uptrend. But also the MACD is possibly turning around here at the moment. It looks like it's doing it now, losing selling pressure obviously with that move up, and then we could get into the other way now and cross the zero line to the upside, and which would then also be a buy signal. So at some point here in the next few days we're going to get another buy signal here on the MACD, and overall you can see that we are having a nice move above that previous high here, climbing up the FIBs, and I think we can continue now our way to the upside. And this might be the pump that Fantom finally needed. After this, and I just show it to you again, corrective move, in my view, an A, a B, and a C correction. So a 3-part corrective move. You only see these 3 wave structures in corrective moves, yeah, which is positive because that indicates that the uptrend or the impulse is still directed to the upside. because what you get with the Elliott waves is a 5-wave structure into the direction of the overlying basically of the high level trend, and you get the 3-wave structure against the trend. So basically, if you have 5 waves going up and a 5-wave structure going up and a 3-wave structure going down against the trend, in this case, this just means we're going to climb up higher and higher, and that is positive, for the price. I would expect further upside from here, and I'm really glad that this has so far worked out, that I sold my AVAX and bought Fantom instead, sold AVAX nearly at the top, bought AVAX now where it was quite low. So these kinds of things made sense to me in this case, and I know a few other people did the same, and I would expect that Fantom is now continuing to go up. Hopefully you liked the video about Fantom. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.